I cannot wait to share with you this product that I've been trying. You can find it at your local Family Dollar. Local Family Dollar. Hey Glo Gang, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, what's up? My name is Gloria Ann, and as a type 4 natural, I'd be the first to admit that it is a struggle trying to find products that work for my hair, and especially my scalp. My hair doesn't like all products, which is why I stick to my favorites, which is the ones that you see on my channel and on my Instagram. Those are mainly my go-tos. It's not a lot. It's like a handful because I'm really not a product junkie. And when I find something that works, I stick to it, I hold on to it, and we just live our lives peacefully together. But it's really hard trying to find products for my scalp. If you've been following me for a long time, you've probably seen an older video where a product actually gave me a yeast infection on my scalp. And ever since that experience, I've just been very cautious about what I put on my scalp because I never want to go through that again. It lasted for entirely too long, and it was just the most horrific experience and feeling. If you're like me, your scalp gets really dry and itchy as the weather changes. It happens every time for me. Every time we transition into a new season, my scalp is like, what's going on? This is why I cannot wait to share with you this product that I've been trying. You can find it at your local Family Dollar. You don't have to go searching high and low. It is right there in your face. It is the Head & Shoulders Daily Moisture Scalp Cream. And I've been using this for a few weeks now, and girl, it feels so good on my scalp, and I definitely feel and see a difference. After styling my hair, I used the Daily Moisture Scalp Cream directly on my scalp. It has a cooling sensation. I can feel the difference on my scalp, and the best part is it doesn't leave any type of white residue. It doesn't have a sticky feeling. It just has a cooling sensation, and it just melts into your scalp and gives you the perfect amount of moisture. I actually really love the whole collection. Like, the shampoo was amazing. It was so moisturizing, and I used it to style my hair today. Well, last night. But this product right here is definitely my favorite just because my scalp has been going crazy, especially since I just had a baby and I wasn't really taking care of my hair like I usually do. So when I used this, my scalp was like, now that my scalp is healthy and I know from trial and error what's good for me, I know that this product is going to be one of the products that I keep around for a long time because it gives me the perfect amount of moisture and it combats my itchy, dry scalp as we transition into new seasons. It does all of that good stuff without any hassle. I know it's not just me, so if you suffer from a dry, itchy scalp when the weather changes as we transition into new seasons, comment down below because I know I'm not the only one. And if you use something on your scalp, let us know. So put us up on the products that you use. If you like this video, thumbs it up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.